Record it. Okay, I'm ready.
Yay!
Woo! Good job. No, that's really probably kind of pushing it. Maybe let's stay there. Bow out.
Stay here?
Yes, please don't go up one more step. Mommy's not ready for that. I just don't want you to get a boo-boo.
But I can do that.
Whoa!
Jump! I'm an awesome jump.
You are an awesome jumper.
See how I'm big?
I see how you're big.
Match. Here I am. Here I am. Now, now take a picture of me. When I'm jumping on a step.
Can you tell me a story?
I forgot that there was a big girl named Belinda, and she had a beautiful flower and her logo, her picture taken at school. Oh God, the end. Can I jump from here?
No.
Oh, see, sorry. Oh, well,
Oh, you gotta land on your feet. Good job!
Yay!
Do you want to sing me a song?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump. See my hair?
Crazy.
Can you see me?
Can I see your moves?
Once upon a time, I was a little girl in my way. And I yay! 'Cause I did it.
Do not jump from there.
I'm not jumping from here. I'm not jumping from here. Not with you. Oh, wait for that. I'm gonna stand. Wait here for la, 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 la. What is this?
Alright, say see ya, wouldn't want to be ya.
Peace out, dude.
Hey, show me rock on.
What is this, Daddy?
I'll tell you, but show me rock on. Come down here and do it. I can't see. It's dark up
Beer
there.
pong ball.
That's nice, honey. Come down here and show me rock on. Let me see. What do we say?
Rock on, eh?
What else do we say?
People hard, car. People hard, car, eh? People hard, pee. People hard, too.
Riley.
Ew.
Say see ya.
Yeah, well.
Say peace out.